Wait, don't scroll. This is something you'll want to hear. Hit the link in the description because this product is honestly a game changer. People aren't hyping it for no reason. It's smooth, powerful, and designed so well that it feels premium right out of the box. And trust me, it's super beginner friendly. I was surprised by how quickly I got used to it, and even more surprised by how well it performs. If you want something that works flawlessly and makes your day easier, this is your sign. Click the link and see it for yourself.